Installation of additional camera hanger extension in conference room. Carefully measure all dimensions before cutting the extension, ensuring accuracy, adding extra height to allow flexibility for any future adjustments. This approach guarantees both precision and adaptability. Once the measurements are finalized, proceed to gather all the necessary materials and carry out the cutting process at the maintenance motor pull area for efficiency and precision. Cut the aluminum tube to the exact measurements, as this will serve a cosmetic purpose by concealing the hanger bolt. Precision is key to ensure a clean and professional finish. Smooth the edges of the aluminum tube thoroughly, ensuring all sharp parts created during the cutting process are removed. This will guarantee a safe and polished finish while enhancing its overall appearance. Drill to precise holes into the aluminum plate, one designated for the bolt extension and the other for the camera holder arm. Ensure accurate alignment and spacing to maintain functionality and a clean aesthetic. Use appropriate tools to achieve a smooth finish for both holes. Always prioritize safety when drilling. Wear protective gear, secure the materials properly, and ensure the workspace is free from hazards. Take your time and use the correct tools to avoid accident and achieve precise results. Safety first. Clean the aluminum plate thoroughly, removing any debris or imperfections. Trim the excess parts using a table grinder, ensuring smooth and precise edges. A table grinder is a safer and more stable option compared to a handheld grinder, providing better control and reducing the risk of accidents. Always prioritize safety during the process. After all the materials have been cut and prepared, return to the conference room to proceed with the final installation. Ensure all components are ready and organized for a smooth and efficient setup process. to Bigfoot's grip and lighting section, where practical know-how meets dedication. We aren't experts, but we understand what needs to be done to keep our grip and lighting equipment performing at its best. Through consistent maintenance and hands-on care, we ensure everything is ready for your production needs. Follow our journey as we tackle routine tasks with precision and keep things running smoothly. Like, comment, and subscribe to stay updated with our simple but effective maintenance practices.